The traders, have you ever dreamt of making money from trading stocks in a short space of time? If so, then you're at the right place because today I'm going to walk you through swing trading. Swing trading is a trading strategy that aims to capture the short term to medium term gains in a stock or any financial instrument. Maybe it's options over a period of a few days to several weeks. It's different from day trading, where positions are typically held for a few seconds, like I explained in the other video, and long term investing, which tries to capture the long term gains of a security. And sometimes people can hold positions for several years or decades. Now, let's talk about the challenges that new traders often face when they are swing trading. These include market volatility, which can be very intimidating, and emotional decision making, which can lead to costly mistakes. But fear not, I'm here to guide you through these challenges. To overcome these hurdles, there are some essential tips for beginner traders. Firstly, always set a stop loss to protect your capital. Secondly, practice proper risk management. In other words, do not risk the whole account. I like to risk less than 1% of my portfolio, even though I also have a stop loss. So now let's get to the exciting part, the climax. Picture this: a successful trade would be a situation where a trader buys a stock or a security at a perfect time and then rise along, whether upwards or downward. That is a short position. If you're trading options, then it's a put position, and then sells or realizes a handsome profit. So this shows the potential for swing trading, but this can be over several days or weeks. So what I like to do when I'm swing trading is I only like to swing trade stocks that I understand. And only if they are really, really down. For example, let's say Facebook, Meta platform as it is called, it drops and they miss their earnings by 20, 17%, 30%, and the fundamentals are good, right? So I can probably, let's say, get 100 shares. It's going for, let's say, $400. So that's 40,000. And then I put a stop loss to say it's, let's say, at $400. And then I can say, well, I can get out if it hits my stop loss, let's say $10 down, for example. And then if it goes up $30 up, maybe over the next couple of weeks, then it hits my stop loss. So in other words, I'm risking $10 to make $30, but of course I can adjust the stop loss as things go, because sometimes things can change. So usually what I do is, like, I like to understand the stock, like I said, but also I like to put the stop loss, and I like to risk a small portion of my capital. So what that means is there are some very cheaper stocks that can go for $10 or even $20. So if you have a small account, in that case, you can have 200-300 shares, and then you can swing trade. So that's one strategy that I use. Now, for swing trading, I don't swing trade options, because options, they have a decay. What it means is, as it gets to the expiry date, usually they are what are called the Greeks. There is actually, I think it's theta, and what it means, it captures the decay, so it loses value regardless of whether the price is going in your favor. So it's like a losing game. So I don't like to do that, but some people do it. So it just depends. So it's very, very important to understand the things that you trade in. And in this case, I like to swing trade stocks when they are really, really down and I believe that they are going up. I don't like to short the market in that regard. In other words, I don't want to take a position that is going to go down, because if it goes the other way, then my loss would be unlimited. So that's very, very important if I don't have a stop loss. So in conclusion, discipline is very important in continuous learning. But the key to being a successful swing trader is that, remember, it's not a get rich quick scheme. So it's important to have some dedication to learning, and also you can succeed if you follow a proper risk management. So to wrap up, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out when I post content like this in the future. Please share your own experiences with regards to trading on the comments below. Let's build a community of thriving traders together, and happy trading, and see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.